Hi, my name is Lola Challoner, and this is my final project for marketing, project number C. We were given as our final project to do a marketing mix of the four P's: product, price, place, and promotion on the St. Ambrose University 20-ounce vacuum insulated striped tumbler that is marketed for $25 and sold in the bookstore. I did a price comparison. These are items that either you can find on the internet or some of the items are also sold at the bookstore. Let's start with the first one. It is a 20-ounce Hydro Flask that's being sold for $27.95. Its claim is that it can hold a drink cold for 24 hours or hot for 6 hours, and that it also has a lifetime warranty connected to it against the paint, chipping, damaging. I thought that was pretty good, pretty impressive. Then my next item is a 20-ounce Damacare that is selling for $12.99. It's also a double-walled container. It's on the generic side. Then the next one is a 20-ounce Yeti Rambler that is selling for $29.98. It's double-walled. And pretty much its claim to fame is that it has a special lid that is magnetic and keeps it closed and like sealed up so that your items stay cold. Then I found a 20-ounce Yeti Rambler that is listed for $39.99, and you can pick college logos, the ones you want. And again, it has that magnetic locking lid. And then I put the 20-ounce St. Ambrose for the $25. And it's double walled and it has the school logo. Here it is right here. So these are what the particular items look like. Let's take a good look at this one here. This one is your Hydro Flask. Okay. With the side-by-side comparisons, you can see the other brands, their brand names, Hydro Flask, Yeti. They have imaging behind them. Everybody knows when you see that little guy that I showed you on your container that you're holding a Hydro Flask. Yeti brand, the name on it, everybody knows that that's a name brand for one of those. So those two items sell you a psychological benefit for owning that item. They make you think that that extra money you spent on this item was well worth it because these are rock solid items and they do special extraordinary care for this. The generic brand, the Damacare, it's only $12.99. A lot of people buy this brand because I just wanted a tumbler. I just want something to keep my beverage cold, one hot. It doesn't sweat on things. It doesn't leave ugly rings on things. And $12.99 isn't bad. I feel that asking a $25 price tag on the St. Ambrose 20-ounce tumbler is a little high. The top line tumblers, the Hydro Flask, for example, is only $3 more. It gives you the special little guy on there, so you get the psychological benefit, and it has a lifetime warranty. I think that really says a lot. And they make that 24-hour claim and the 6-hour claim for the hot. So I think that psychologically that is a better, it's better branding. And for the Hydro Flask, Visco Girls, named for a photo app, have made Hydro Flask a much sought after item. Visco girls have taught people that you can apply stickers to these Hydro Flask and customize them to what you want them to be. And St. Ambrose sells inside of their bookstore and online a little sticker. Here he is down here in the corner. You can buy this sticker for $6.95. Just apply them to your Hydro Flask. So you're basically getting the Hydro Flask and you're putting the St. Ambrose sticker on it. And you can put your name and anything else you wanted on that product. The St. Ambrose tumbler were to sell their tumbler in different locations besides just the bookstore and online, I would say, like, let's talk about the cafeteria. If they sold it in the cafeteria and it said that for a promotion that if you pay $25 for this tumbler, you could have free refills for, let's say, the day, for the week, for the month. Or they could sell the tumbler also down at the coffee shop that's on campus. And they could say, free coffee for the rest of the day when you buy this tumbler. Or for the month of December. Or you could give little punch cards out and you get 12 free refills when you buy this tumbler. I feel that people would feel that not only am I getting the product, but I'm getting so much more. And psychologically, maybe that would be worth it for them. People would be willing to pay that $25 because not only did I get the tumbler, I also got all this for free. And the convenience of just going down and getting my free coffee or my free drink. And maybe they could keep a punch card and just keep refilling this. So I think, yeah, maybe if you put those promotions and connect it, maybe you could even ask more for the product. So that's the end of my presentation, and I hope you like it. Thank you.